Hello learners, welcome. So I discussed about third question. Third question is grading system. Grading system grading system in result on marks. Some students results and which type of result, then different type of grade. Okay. Uh, I dis first condition for marks above 90. If marks is above 90, then print excellent. And then second, for marks above 80 and less than equal to 90, then print good. Okay. If 90 above marks any student and less than 90, then print good. Okay, understand? For marks above 70 and less than equal to 80, then print fair. And for marks 60 and less than equal to 70, print meet expectation. For marks less than equal to 60, print below par. Okay, then it is convert into Java code programming language. So marks is greater than 90. अब marks is greater than 90, but marks 100 ही होगा maximum, 100 से ज़्यादा तो marks is maximum 100, not above 100. So here use AND operator and हम लिखेंगे we write marks in if I write SOP ln, we write in short SOP ln, system.out.print is SOP ln. Okay, here write excellent. Okay, and after this close this curly braces and other condition for else if, use else if, and here our condition apply marks is greater than 80 and less than equal to marks less than equal to 90. So print SOP ln print good. Okay, and other condition apply else if marks is greater than 70 and marks is less than equal to 80, then print fair. Okay, and also our other, we have no space to, so I manage space. We write here other codes and here else if marks is greater than 60 and marks is less than equal to 70, so print hey. And our last condition else if marks is below 60, below or equal to 60, less than or equal to 60, so print below par. Okay, close, this is close. This last else else use, if else last in else curly braces open, SOPLN, any other input this in this code, so print invalid input. Okay, and close this else and close also our main and close also class. Okay, this program, then first line is executor. First line, this is first line, this is execute, and in display enter the marks. If here enter the mark is 70 and ln, so cursor is moved down. So if I write 70, so it's check the condition, marks is greater than 90, yes, but less than equal to 100, no. Here it's no, first condition also false. Else if 80 greater than 80, no. Here greater than 70, no. Here greater than 60, yes, 70 is greater than 60, and marks equal to or less than 70, yes, 70. So print here, print meet expectations. Okay, and if in other, here also 105, so check all these condition, 105 is not satisfy any condition, so our program is else part or else part run, so print invalid input. Okay, thank you everyone.